in the 5th floor in an apartment in Champions Gate, using our CRV to scrub, move the furniture. So we are using, this is Champions Gate. We are using electrostatic sprayer to spread the product on the carpet. So we are pre-treating the carpet and then using the scrubber and the dry pads to encap this small apartment. 407-572-4118. Since we are in the 5th floor, the last time that we came here using the phonics, and the phonics is an orbital machine that oscillates and only oscillates, but it's do a bumping. The person who live downstairs in the apartment below call my truck mount, like call the number and say, you are doing so much noise, please, at what time you're gonna finish. So this is the reason why I came with my old-fashioned scrubber that does a wonderful job, and we have the gladiator pad. This is the reason why I didn't use the orbital in this apartment. Okay, this machine is old-fashioned. That's American Lincoln, steel, 15-inch, heavy, really heavy. But I like it better. I like better than the hored orbital because of the weight. Some people love hored orbital, and it's an awesome machine, but it's not that heavy. It's move easy. I really love it. A ver, enséñame. Chacho. He's the macho man of the company. Fifth floor, Champions Gate. This is McDonald's, Weather Publix. This is the Champions Gate car washing. This is the entry of Champions Gate, Dunkin' Donuts. This is our car, and we are in an apartment doing some carpet cleaning.